Today's video is all about how to activate NordVPN using an activation code. Whether you've used NordVPN before or you're completely new, this quick guide will help you get everything set up correctly. First, open your web browser and go to my.nordaccount.com/activate. This is the official activation page. Once you're there, you'll see the login screen. If you already have a NordVPN account, sign in using your email and password. If you're new, click the sign up option and create your Nord account. It only takes a moment, and be sure to save your login details for later. After signing in, you'll see a field where you can enter your activation code. You should have received this code by email or with your subscription details. Paste or type it in carefully and take a moment to double check it since even a small typo can cause an error. Next, click Continue. If the code is accepted, you'll see a confirmation message letting you know the activation was successful. At that point, your NordVPN is fully activated. From there, you can download the NordVPN app on your preferred device and start browsing with added privacy and security. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I've added my affiliate link in the description. It gives you 74% off plus 3 extra months free. That's all there is to it. If you run into any issues, NordVPN's support team is easy to reach and ready to help. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials.